In case you've never used a puller before of this type, you've got two hex heads here, and this just holds these two halves in place as this part pushes through the pulley on the bottom. Cheap plastic. Welcome to the age of cheap plastic crap. Today we are pulling the power steering pump off of the 1994 Bronco with a fuel injected 5.0. And the only thing I really want to point out is on a 94 with a 5.0, so far I am not having to remove the fan shroud with a simple puller. There's just enough room that I'm able to get to. So still have good hold here, and because this part of the pulley does not move, we've not had any issues with clearance of the fan shroud. And you just want to be careful on your left hand not to scratch or dent or bend up the fans. the pulley just finally came loose. Let's see if I can dig it out. Alright, so the pulley finally broke free. And there you have your pulley puller. Backside there, finally breaking free. Excellent, eh? Just in case you've never watched any other videos, you have 1, 2, and 3 bolts here, which are pretty easy to access, and that will break free the power steering pump out of that bracket, and you just remove it from the back side. Since I'm lazy, it doesn't take me long to get a breaker bar on just about everything I do. And we've got one more. We might need a small extension on this. We might be able to get it, just barely. Or that'll happen.
This year, don't just get ready, get holiday ready with Ford. And the best place to start is at your local Ford dealer. Whether you're getting out to the mall or getting off the grid, we've got a Ford SUV that's perfect for you. Or check out America's best-selling trucks, Ford F-Series. Inventory is arriving daily, so get the season started off right and get our best offers during the...